Wow.
Uh,
Thanks.
Please tell me.
Okay. Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, right. Please listen, don't mind. Are you third gender? Hi. Where are you from?
I'm from East Bangladesh. We are from?
What?
I'm from East Bangladesh.
Are you from Bangladesh?
You from?
Just your appearance look doesn't look like Bangladesh. No. You are look like foreigner.
Twice. Wow. Thanks.
Please tell me your introduce. Could you please introduce yourself within short sentence? Please tell me. Really?
Okay. Really?
Yeah, of course. Please try to speak.
Thanks.
Try to speak with me.
Slowly in English. I'm to not your speaking not.
Okay, there is no problem.
Slowly.
Okay. There is no problem. Try to speak with me.
Okay. Hindi, speaking Hindi?
Just no. I am not able to Hindi. I can speak English fluent. Yeah, really. Already I have followed you.
You Arabic?
No.
Arabic?
Only I can speak two languages. You speak Bangla and English. Also, I am Bangladeshi. Wow, right. Actually, don't mind. Please listen. Don't mind. Are you third gender?
Okay. Yes. I am lady boy.
Just I am asking. Are you third gender?
Yes.
Okay, just I have understood. Thank you so much. Just there is no problem. Just your voice smell. Your voice smell look like boy. Not only boy but also girl. Just mixed. And your appearance look like yeah, really. Actually,
wow.
Do you live in Dhaka city?
No.
Where?
No.
Chatpur. Okay, just I am from Borishal. I live in Pirozpur district. Do you know?
Yes.
Pirozpur.
I am to living in Borishal, Pirozpur, Jalukati,
Golachipa. Okay. Actually, how old are you? Age. Your age.
Yes, I'm 28.
28. Okay, just I am 30. Basically, I am a private teacher, English teacher.
Yes, you are not. I'm not a student. Not. I am to. Yes, you are a friend. Talking. Next, I am to talking.
Okay, just may I know where is your birthplace? Do you have you born in Chatpur?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Have you completed school, college or higher education? School or college completed education?
No.
Okay.
No. I'm not.
Okay, just most of the time in our society hate the third gender, but I am not able to hate the third gender because they are too human and they live in our society in peacefully. Actually, I respect you. At first I have got you just like third gender in this platform. Basically, I am a YouTuber. I make videos on YouTube. This conversation will be uploaded on YouTube. There is no problem. Have you any problem to upload this content on YouTube?
No.
Okay. Okay.
No.
Thank you. Just how do you spend your free time? Most of the free time you get, how do you patch your every single day? How do you patch?
No. I'm good to.
Going or running any places, collecting money. Going any places, collecting money. Or do you busy for collection?
You have to be busy. Shopping mall or mini
Yes.
Evelyn and have to job.